Did you know that more than 80% of people who use baking soda have no idea about its most powerful benefits? It's true. This common household ingredient, which costs just a few cents per use, is quietly sitting in millions of homes with its full potential largely untapped. In fact, many health experts consider baking soda to be one of the most underrated natural remedies available today. Think about it. How many times have you used baking soda to bake cookies or deodorize your fridge without ever questioning what else it might do? What if I told you that this simple, white powder has a long-standing history of surprising health applications, some of which could shift how you think about personal wellness? Why aren't more people talking about what baking soda can really do? And what important health-supporting benefits are we overlooking? In this video, we're diving into the lesser-known yet remarkable health benefits of baking soda. I'll also cover the crucial precautions you need to know and explain who should be cautious when using it. You won't want to miss this, especially if you're committed to making smart, informed choices about your health. Before we jump in, welcome to our channel if you're new here. We're glad you're with us. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you'll never miss our future content. Your path to better health starts now, and we're excited to be a part of your journey. Also, drop your country in the comments and let us know where you're watching from. We'd love to hear from you. Detoxification. Let's begin with one of the most talked about health benefits of baking soda, its role in detoxification. Baking soda isn't just a kitchen cleaner or a baking ingredient, it's often praised for its potential to support the body's natural detox processes. When dissolved in water, it becomes alkaline, helping to neutralize acids both internally and externally. Many people enjoy baking soda baths to relieve irritated skin, reduce itchiness, and soothe minor rashes. The idea is that the alkalinity helps draw out toxins and impurities through the skin, leaving you feeling refreshed and rebalanced. Although scientific evidence for detox through the skin is limited, many users report comfort and symptom relief. Taken internally in small, diluted doses, baking soda is believed by some to help reduce acid buildup in the body, supporting kidney function and assisting with toxin elimination. Notably, a study in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation could slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing blood acidity. That said, your body is naturally equipped to regulate its pH balance, and extreme dietary changes won't drastically alter this. Still, under medical supervision and used in moderation, baking soda can be a low-cost way to gently support your body's detox systems and help you feel more balanced overall. Improves oral health and whitens teeth. Next, let's talk about how baking soda supports oral hygiene and brightens your smile. There's a reason it's a common ingredient in many toothpastes. It's both effective and gentle when used properly. If you've ever brushed your teeth with baking soda, you've probably noticed that fresh, clean feeling afterward. That's because it acts as a mild abrasive, helping remove surface stains from coffee, tea, or other foods that discolor teeth. Unlike many harsh whitening treatments, baking soda is gentle enough to polish teeth without significantly damaging enamel when used correctly. But there's more. Its alkaline nature helps neutralize mouth acids, which is crucial for preventing the growth of harmful bacteria responsible for cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Scientific studies support these benefits. Research in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpastes with baking soda removed plaque and whitened teeth more effectively than those without it. Another study confirmed that it can reduce harmful bacteria in the mouth, contributing to overall oral health. Still, because baking soda is abrasive, overuse can wear down enamel. Dental professionals recommend limiting its use to a few times per week and always using a soft bristled brush. Used wisely, it's a simple, affordable way to improve your dental routine and keep your smile healthy and bright. Provides relief from heartburn. Baking soda can also bring quick relief from heartburn, a common issue that causes a burning sensation in the chest and throat, usually after eating spicy or heavy meals. Heartburn occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, a condition known as acid reflux. Other factors like pregnancy, certain disorders, or weight gain can increase its frequency. While over-the-counter antacids are available, a teaspoon of baking soda mixed into a glass of water is a time-tested home remedy that many people swear by. The science is simple. baking soda's alkaline nature neutralizes excess stomach acid, offering rapid relief from discomfort. Sodium bicarbonate is recognized in the medical world as a fast-acting antacid. A review in gastroenterology hepatology supports its effectiveness in quickly easing occasional heartburn. This makes baking soda a convenient and cost-effective option to keep on hand, no trip to the pharmacy needed. It's one of the many reasons it's found in kitchen cabinets around the world. For occasional heartburn, baking soda may offer fast, gentle relief and help you get back to your day comfortably. Antifungal properties. Baking soda also boasts notable antifungal abilities. Fungal infections like athlete's foot or ringworm thrive in warm, damp environments and often show up as red, itchy, flaky patches on the skin. While various creams and sprays are available, baking soda provides a natural alternative that's easy to use and chemical-free. It works by altering the environment fungi need to grow. When applied topically, baking soda's alkaline nature can damage fungal cell walls, preventing them from multiplying. This isn't just anecdotal. Research published in Mycopathologia found that a baking soda solution was effective in inhibiting 80% of fungal strains tested. To use it, make a paste with water and apply it directly to the skin or add it to a foot bath for relief from athlete's foot. Many people experience reduced itching and irritation after just a few uses. Gentle, accessible, and budget-friendly, baking soda is a valuable home remedy for those dealing with persistent fungal issues. May help with urinary tract infections, UTIs. Lastly, baking soda may assist in easing the symptoms of urinary tract infections, a common issue, especially for women. UTIs can cause painful urination, frequent urges, and general discomfort. While antibiotics remain the standard treatment, some seek additional natural options to support recovery. Baking soda's role lies in its ability to neutralize acidity. When mixed with water and taken in small, safe amounts, it may help reduce the acidity of urine. This could potentially make the environment less favorable for bacterial growth and ease the burning sensation that accompanies UTIs. A study published in the Japanese Journal of Urology involved 33 women with recurring UTIs. Those who included sodium bicarbonate in their treatment reported a noticeable improvement in symptoms after 4 weeks. While not a substitute for antibiotics, baking soda may serve as a supplemental option for mild relief. However, any serious or persistent symptoms should be evaluated by a healthcare provider. Used cautiously, baking soda can support urinary comfort and contribute to overall well-being. May help treat canker sore. Next, helps treat canker sores. If you've ever dealt with one, you know how painful and inconvenient these small mouth ulcers can be. The good news? Baking soda could offer a simple, cost-effective solution. Canker sores, sometimes referred to as aphthous ulcers, often develop from stress, minor oral injuries, or certain foods. They can make eating, drinking, and even speaking uncomfortable. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, helps by neutralizing the acid levels in your mouth, fostering a more pH-balanced environment. Since an acidic mouth can worsen irritation and slow healing, this shift is crucial. By rinsing with a mixture of warm water and about half a teaspoon of baking soda, you can reduce inflammation, ease pain, and potentially speed up recovery. Research backs this up. A study in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that sodium bicarbonate rinses relieved pain and improved healing in patients with recurrent aphthous stomatitis. Its mild antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties help keep the sore clean and curb bacterial growth. Unlike many over-the-counter options, baking soda is gentle and unlikely to worsen sensitivity. So next time you feel that familiar sting, consider trying a baking soda rinse. It's a natural, science-supported way to promote oral comfort and healing right from your kitchen. May enhance exercise performance. Moving on, baking soda may also improve your workout performance. Surprising, right? This everyday household item isn't just for baking or cleaning, it's actually used by some athletes to delay muscle fatigue. During high-intensity exercise, your muscles produce lactic acid, lowering the pH and creating that burning sensation associated with fatigue. Sodium bicarbonate works as a buffering agent, helping neutralize this excess acid and allowing you to push further without early exhaustion. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research confirmed that sodium bicarbonate supplementation improved performance in short, high-intensity sports like sprinting, swimming, and cycling. Athletes usually take about a teaspoon mixed with water 60 to 90 minutes before exercise. However, it's essential to start with small amounts. Too much can cause stomach discomfort or bloating. If you're seeking a natural way to improve endurance and performance, baking soda might be worth exploring. Just consult a healthcare provider before starting, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Try it out and see how it impacts your next workout. May support kidney function. Next up, supporting kidney health. If you or someone you know is managing chronic kidney disease, CKD, baking soda might offer unexpected support. People with CKD often struggle with metabolic acidosis, where the kidneys fail to remove enough acid from the blood, worsening kidney function over time. Sodium bicarbonate acts as a natural antacid, helping neutralize blood acidity and reduce the stress on the kidneys. This isn't just anecdotal. Research published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology showed that patients with advanced CKD who took daily sodium bicarbonate had a slower decline in kidney function than those who didn't. They were also less likely to progress to end-stage renal disease requiring dialysis. Blood bicarbonate levels improved, supporting better acid-base balance in the body. That said, baking soda is not a cure and must be used with medical guidance. Excessive use can raise blood pressure or cause fluid retention, especially in those with heart or kidney concerns. Always talk to a healthcare provider before using it regularly. When used properly, baking soda could help protect kidney function and enhance quality of life. May help manage gout symptoms. Gout is another condition that baking soda may help with. This painful form of arthritis typically results from elevated uric acid levels, which form sharp crystals in the joints and trigger inflammation. Baking soda's alkaline properties can help neutralize this excess uric acid, making the body less prone to painful flare-ups. A study in the journal Arthritis Rheumatism found that alkalinizing agents like sodium bicarbonate can help dissolve uric acid crystals and increase their excretion through urine. Many people find relief by drinking half a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in water during a flare. In addition to reducing pain, baking soda may also lessen inflammation, helping improve joint mobility. Still, it's important to use this remedy cautiously and under professional supervision, particularly for those with sodium sensitivity or kidney issues. Used responsibly, baking soda can be a simple and effective addition to gout management. May help relieve arthritis pain. Now let's talk about arthritis relief. Could baking soda really help manage arthritis pain? Research suggests it might. Arthritis, especially rheumatoid arthritis, involves chronic inflammation that leads to joint discomfort, swelling, and stiffness. While medications and therapies are common treatments, a 2018 study in the Journal of Immunology found that drinking a baking soda solution daily influenced the immune system by reducing inflammatory responses. Sodium bicarbonate appeared to activate anti-inflammatory pathways while calming overactive immune responses, a promising discovery for autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis. Both animals and humans in the study saw reductions in inflammatory markers and improvements in immune cell balance. This suggests baking soda could be a natural way to reduce inflammation and manage joint pain. While more studies are needed to fully understand long-term effects, this everyday ingredient could offer a gentle, science-backed approach to arthritis management. As always, consult your doctor before starting any new remedy. May alleviate cold and flu symptoms. When cold and flu season strikes, baking soda might help ease symptoms naturally. Thanks to its alkalizing properties, it can break down mucus, making it easier to clear nasal passages and breathe comfortably. One effective method is gargling with a mix of warm water and baking soda, which soothes sore throats and reduces the presence of bacteria and viruses in the mouth and throat. A study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association found that regular gargling with a baking soda solution decreased throat irritation and microbial load, potentially supporting quicker recovery. You can also add baking soda to saline nasal rinses to enhance congestion relief. It's a gentle, accessible way to support your immune system and recover more comfortably from cold or flu symptoms. So, next time you feel a bug coming on, try this simple remedy from your kitchen. May enhance cancer treatment. It may come as a surprise, but baking soda is also being studied for its role in supporting cancer treatment. Tumor cells often thrive in highly acidic environments, which can hinder the effectiveness of some treatments. Sodium bicarbonate's ability to raise pH levels has prompted researchers to investigate whether it could help make cancer cells more vulnerable to therapies. In a 2009 study published in Cancer Research, researchers observed that injecting baking soda into mice with metastatic breast cancer reduced tumor acidity and slowed disease progression. This pH shift made cancer cells more susceptible to chemotherapy. While these findings are promising, they are still in the early stages, and more clinical trials in humans are needed before baking soda becomes part of any standard cancer care regimen. It's important to remember that this isn't a standalone treatment, but a potential complement to conventional therapy. Always speak with your medical team before trying any alternative approaches. Natural deodorant alternative. Lastly, baking soda makes for a surprisingly effective natural deodorant. Commercial deodorants often contain harsh chemicals, artificial fragrances, and aluminum compounds. In contrast, baking soda neutralizes odor-causing acids in sweat and absorbs moisture, creating an environment where bacteria struggle to thrive. A study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that baking soda significantly reduced underarm odor when applied topically. For those with sensitive skin, baking soda offers a chemical-free alternative. It can be used alone or combined with ingredients like coconut oil for added moisture. Just dust a small amount under your arms and you'll likely notice a fresher feel that lasts throughout the day. Some individuals may experience irritation, so it's wise to test a small patch of skin first. But for many, this eco-friendly, affordable option is a game changer in personal hygiene.